Setting up a new QuickBooks Online payments account and connecting an existing payments account to QuickBooks Online. The quick answer here, for a new account, you're going to click on the gear icon, go to Accounts and Settings, your company, and then Payments on the left menu and the Learn More button. Connecting an existing account is similar, gear icon, Accounts and Settings, under your company, payments, and then the connect button. And this is what those look like. This is for applying for a new QuickBooks Online account, and this is connecting an existing account. You can see the connect button there and the setup payments button there. Okay, so that's a quick answer. As usual, we'll get now into a little more details on the matter. So what does QuickBooks Online Payments do? Before I go any further, let me point out, usually with these QuickBooks Online videos, I'm bouncing between tabs, the slides, and a sample account a sample company rather in QuickBooks Online. These sorts of things, like a bank transaction is kind of similar, where you can't really set them up with the sample company because of the nature of the information, bank information, all that. So it makes it tough to give a real life example. I'll obviously go back to doing the real life examples for topics where it makes sense, but in this case it just made more sense to take some screenshots and put them in a slideshow. So anyways, back to it. What does QuickBooks Online Payments do? It allows your business to accept payment by credit card, Apple Pay, bank transfer, and like any other merchant service, there's a small fee per transaction. And with prior authorization, and QuickBooks Online doesn't go into a whole lot of detail on that, but they say customers can pay online, or they don't say what the prior authorization is necessarily or what that involves. But with it, your customers can pay their online invoices with a Pay Now button that comes over the email with your invoice. So that's one of QuickBooks Online's big features, the ability to do that. And it also allows them to pay over the phone if they wish. And, the main reason that that's beneficial, of course, is it just facilitates your small business, getting paid quicker. And if you go to QuickBooks, no, don't go. You can go to QuickBooks Online. That's fine. But if you go to spreadsheetsforbusiness.com, I've written several posts about the nature of cash flow and timing the cash flow and just how important that is for small business. So, and if you're a small business owner, the quicker you can get paid, the better. The longer you can put off paying something, the better. Anyhow, QuickBooks Online Payments also allows customers to enter credit card information if they so desire also. And another benefit of using QuickBooks Online Payments, perhaps versus a different merchant service, is the fact that all transactions automatically entered in QuickBooks Online. So applying for a QuickBooks Online Payments account is easy. And like I said earlier, gear icon, accounts and settings. Go to the left menu there in accounts and settings, click on the payments section, and then the learn more button and set up payments button. After that, you're going to be taken to a screen where it's going to have three sections. Section 1 is information about your business. Some of this information will be carried in, from information you've already entered, what it already knows about your business. You just need to fill in additional required information, double check everything's right. You click next. It's going to take you to owner information. That's information about you. Fill that out, click next. Then bank information. So you want to search for your bank, and then once you find it, you enter your accounting and routing number. Account number, not accounting number. Apologies, the screenshots are a little smaller here than they probably should be, but the gist of it is you click on the gear icon and then click on, accounts and settings. You're going to come to this screen here, and then, like I said, you're going to look for payments on the left side menu, the learn more button, set up payments button, And then those are those three sections that I talked about. And that's how you add a new account. If you want to connect an existing QuickBooks Online Payments account, this also applies for GoPayment, QuickBooks Merchant Services, Intuit Merchant Services, and Intuit Check Solution accounts. You can also connect those to QuickBooks Online. Same path, basically, gear icon, accounts and settings, left menu, payments, except connect this time rather than what was it previously, setup payments. Okay, so you're not setting up, you're just connecting an existing account. Or if you want, you can click on the help button on the top of the screen and do contact us. Then support will call you back and can walk you through the process. An important thing to point out here: so if you plan on processing more than that is 7.5K, not 75K. So that's doable, I would imagine, for a lot of you small business owners. If you plan on doing more processing, more in payments than 7,500 per month, you should probably contact them and ask for special pricing. So here's a look at the difference, and the only difference between setting up a new account and this one is you clicked on that connect button rather than the learn more button. Here you click on learn more for applying for an account. Here you click on connect. And that's it. There ain't much to it. It's pretty short and to the point, short and simple. And anyhow, if all this bookkeeping stuff, it's got you bogged down, you're having a hard time finding motivation, and it's just not your thing. You want to do whatever your trade is, a small business owner, not worry about bean counting. Then take a look at BotKeeper. Okay, and what BotKeeper does is basically automate bookkeeping tasks. Allows you, like I said, to focus on your business more and worry less about your bookkeeping. And BotKeeper is basically it's software that automates a lot of it. It uses AI and fancy technology like all of that, but with a human element, kind of a human overseeing it is the way to describe it. So I've got a link to that down in the description if you just want to check it out and see if you think that might be right for you. Yeah, that's all there's to the video. If you like the fact that my QuickBooks Online videos they get to the point real quick, get you information, then go into more detail. If you appreciate that setup, I would appreciate a like. And also, if you find yourself searching for QuickBooks Online how-to videos fairly often, you can subscribe, and then exactly where to go to look for them first, because everything will be in its exact same layout. So yeah, if you like that, like and subscribe, and that's all I got.